Wahoo. Hey, dragon, you catch a fish too. If I dragon, other fish catch the other one too. See, he tired now. See, on the top. Waiting to eat.
Yeah, you got a wahoo.
Wahoo.
Nice size wahoo.
Maybe tuna.
Wahoo.
Mahi?
Wahoo.
Yeah, okay.
See how long and skinny that body is?
Didn't know mahi is. Wahoo is.
I just said that. It's a fucking wahoo.
Yes, yes, yeah.
Been saying it's a wahoo. You're the one that keeps saying it's other fish. It's a wahoo. You can tell by just looking at how skinny he is.
Yeah. Now he cannot fight no more. I can pull in it.
Yeah, fight. Come on. Put in work, man. Hey,
Yeah.
all right here.
Tuna?
Blackfin tuna. Or fucking wahoo. One of them. Come on, Reggie. You can do it. I got you. I'm behind you. I got the line behind you.
My camera is on. My camera is on. Blinking.
Yeah. Go, Reggie. Go. Pull it there.
They go on the bottom.
Reza, he's floating on the top. That's what he's talking about. Is sitting down to the bottom. Like, no, it's on the top. On the top. You can pull that thing and leave.
Yeah.
Come on, Reza, you can do it.
I think you guys need to put a couple more miles on the line.
I'm trying to get as far as I can. That damn lure, I don't care about that. I gotta figure out a better setup. That flying fish is a tricky lure to learn.
Put a fucking weight ahead of it.
That's not the thing.
Well,
Drop.
feet ahead of it or something.
Yeah. Something's
Come
up.
on, come on.
You can do it, Reza. Any
We're getting
day.
there by 6.
4:30, Sean. 4:30.
Ain't now.
This is Wahoo.
Blackfin tuna.
Wahoo.
I think it was a barracuda.
Barracuda?
Looks like a
Barracuda, this for you.
I think it's a wolf. I think it's a wahoo.
Nah.
That's a blackfin.
Is it?
How's the wahoo?
No, no. Banana.
That ain't a bonita.
That's a fucking wahoo.
They know Wahoo.
Where's the gap? What the fuck were you guys? Why would you guys not have the gap? It was hanging here the whole trip. Now it's gone. You're gonna lose it. You're gonna fucking lose it.
Hey, bring a bag. Go, come in.
What's the gap?
Hey, put them. Here, come. Put the gap there.
Got it? That's a big one. Holy shit. My resin stick your leg in his mouth. Holy fuck.
That's what I'm talking about, Reza.
All right.
Yeah.
How you feel? Don't pass out on it.
Yeah. Give me a shake hand. Very nice.
Good job, Reza.
Yeah, you want to put the knife on, cut this thing? Very nice catch. It's great. I'm sorry they catch you. Biggest one who I catch now. Biggest one.
Pretty work, Renzo.
Good job I did. Thank you.
Yeah, I gotta get a picture of that.
Biggest wahoo I catch it. Big, huge one. See how nice it is? Last time he catch my leg, he cut my leg. Oh my God. I don't believe it. I have never believed it I catch so big. Thank you, God. Make America great again.
Ready to hold it?
Yeah, you can hold and see how big it is. Too heavy, you cannot pick him up. Be careful.
Let go of that.
That is low, right? Be careful. I tell you, be careful. Be careful, no.
Relax, motherfucker. Relax, motherfucker.
No, easy, 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 easy. Hey, you won't kill it. Yeah. I know. Okay, hold on, I take a picture too. Bigger fish I catch it, very nice. Yes. Hey, be careful my line. Hold on, I take a picture.
He's a beast, bro.
Yeah, you think I can pick him up? He dead?
You gotta do it like that.
Okay, I did. Which way? Take a camera.
Let me.
Wash your hand. Wash your hand. Be careful. Yes, yes. I pick him up.